Here we are again, Math with Miss Sheehan. Why don't you grab your Learn book? We are going to be on page 25 today. And we're going to be talking about cubes. Cubes are 3D, three-dimensional, and we're going to be talking about three things with them. The first thing is the faces. The faces are the flat surfaces, okay? So in a cube, there are 6 faces. Sorry, you can hear my clock. So there's one on the top, one on the bottom, one on the side, one on the side, one in the front, and one in the back. So they're all squares, as you can see, and there are 6 of them, okay? 6 faces. And the other thing we're going to be talking about with cubes are the vertices, aka the corners, and the edges, which are the lines. So if you pause really quick and try to make yourself a cube, you need to count, whoops, I think I forgot to add one of them. You need to add how many times you draw a line. How many edges did you draw? How many edges did you draw? I drew 12. Did you draw 12 too? Awesome. In a cube, there are 6 faces, which are squares. There are 12 edges, and for the vertices, those are the corners, I colored them in here. How many corners do you see? 8, right? So a cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, which are lines, and 8 vertices or corners. So you can do your best to fill in page 25. And I have made a separate video if you would like to draw along with me how to draw a cube. You're going to be practicing doing that at the bottom. And then you can go on to page 7, number 7 on page 26. And that is talking about how you continue to connect the lines that are there. And that will help you as you're drawing. And then on number 8, it says that Derek says that if he's looking here, he can only see 3 faces. So he said that a cube has 3 faces. That's not correct, right? Why do you think he thinks that this only has 3 faces? He thinks 1, 2, 3. Why do you think he doesn't know about the other ones? Okay, that's what you're going to be working on. And then you can head to page 29, and I'll read the problem solver for you for today. It says Frank has 19 less cubes than Josie. Frank has 56 cubes. So do you think Josie has more than 56 or less? More, right? They want to use all their cubes to build a tower. How many cubes will they use? Okay, so you have to do a couple steps here. You have to figure out how many cubes Josie has first. So you're going to say 56, because that's how many Frank has. And if he has less, you're going to add 19 to that number to get Josie's amount, right? So you're going to start with 56 plus 19. And then once you're done with that, once you found out how many Josie has, then you're going to add 56, which was Frank, and whatever you found out with Josie, and you're going to add those two together, make yourself a T-chart to see how many cubes they would use if they wanted to build a tower with all of their cubes together. Okay? Awesome work today. We'll meet you back here again tomorrow for more Math with Miss Sheehan.